There are three primary considerations when someone is purchasing a beach cleaner. The first one, cleaning efficiency. Can you get out there on the beach, make the beach clean, make it a beautiful, safe environment for your patrons? The second factor is always how fast can you get it done. Beach like this that I'm standing in front of, they will have to be off the beach by 8 o'clock in the morning in July, August, even in June, because they have so many patrons. So the idea is you got to get out there, get the beach done quickly. The third factor is maintenance cost. Sometimes that factor is lost when people are actually making the purchase. They're more focused on what's the basic purchase price, but in the beach cleaning industry, it's critical to take into account the cost of maintenance and spare parts. With any piece of equipment that's operating in a sand and a saltwater environment, that's a crucial factor, and it's one of the, again, the reasons that we dominate the industry.